Ramnath Pai Raikar. Ramnath Pai Raikar is active in the field of journalism since past 30 years. Raikar started his career as a sub-editor and rose to the level of acting editor of the Navin Times. He retired from the Navin Times earlier this year after 25 years of service in the newspaper and now working on extension in the same daily in the capacity of advisor. After completing his education in mechanical engineering as well as in computer programming, Raikar worked for a couple of years at the National Institute of Oceanography. However, after undergoing a training at Dainik Gomantak, he joined the paper as a sub-editor. Raikar in the past has covered almost all areas of journalism, first working on the desk and then on the field. He has handled beats for politics to art and culture and education to films. Raikar, besides carrying out his duties as a journalist, has also written 9 popular columns, including one in Marathi, Ram Kahani, in the daily Navprabha. Raikar has widely travelled in and out of the country and visited countries like Portugal, Spain, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Holland, France, Italy, Germany, Austria and Israel in politics, sports, environment, culture, history, tourism, business, industry. Currently as a freelance writer, his writings mainly focus on history and culture of Goa and tourism. In 1997, he was awarded a grant to undertake reporting assignment in Portugal, wherein he wrote a series of articles in Goa Today on the restoration and conservation methods of architectural heritage in the Iberian country and how this could be emulated to protect the architectural heritage of Goa. Writing has turned him into an author and has published 6 books, 4 of which are fiction. In 2011, he published the book Goa Rebound. Next, we have Sushant alias Gurunath Datta Kungalekar. Sushant started off his career in journalism 36 years back at print and electronic media, that is radio journalist. Joined Sunapran Company Daily in 1988 and was entitled to cover proceedings of the Goa Legislative Assembly. He also worked as a sports editor for the same newspaper. He later joined Tanan Bharat in 1992 and was promoted to the position of senior reporter and bureau chief in 1998. Marching forward, Sushant joined Daily Lokmat in 2009 as chief reporter and was promoted as bureau chief in 2012. He later joined Gomantak in 2021 as South Goa bureau chief. Sushant officially retired on August 18, 2024, but continues to work for the publication and also contributes to the Gomantak TV. In a career span of over 3 decades, he has contributed immensely in highlighting several political, social and environmental issues in Goa with numerous participation in study workshops. Sushant has held post of President of Dakshin Goa Marathi Patrakar Sangh, President of Goa South Goa Journalists Association, founder member of Goa Yuva Mahotsav, General Secretary of the Konkani Bhasha Mandal, member of Advisory Committee Nehru Yuva Kendra, Executive Member of Advisory Committee Ravindra Bhavan Margaon. Sushant Kukardar. आमचे फुडले सत्कारमूर्ती प्रदीप पुंडलिक पाटील. प्रदीपान पत्रकारितेची सुरुवात 1990 वर्सा मडगांव सुनापरान दिसाळ्यान केली. सुरुवातीक ते ऑपरेटर म्हणून कामाक लागले. 2004 वर्सा सुनापरान मडगांव सावन पणजे आयलो तेन्ना त्या वेळार संपादकान उपसंपादक म्हणून तांकां बढती दिवन डेस्कार सेवा दिली. कांय वर्सां डेस्कार काम केल्या उपरांत खास आयतार पुरवणेचें काम तांचेकडेन सोपयलें. कालांतरान परतून ताका परत एकदा डेस्कार हाडलो. 31 जुलै 2015 दिसा सुनापरान दिसाळ्याक बंद पडले तेन्ना सप्टेंबर 2015 वर्सा पुढारी दिसाळ्यान उपसंपादक म्हणून योगदान दिले. थंय 3 महिने काम केले. डिसेंबर 2015 वर्सा दैनिक हेराल्ड मराठी दिसाळ्यान उपसंपादक म्हणून काम लागले. ऑगस्ट 2017 मेरेन थंय सेवा दिली. सप्टेंबर 2017 वर्सा भांगरभूंय दिसाळ्यान उपसंपादक म्हणून सेवेंत रुजू. आयज मेरेन डेस्कार काम करीत आसा. कंपोजिंग, पुस्तकांचे पेज मेकिंग, डिझायन, लेआउट हांचो दीर्घ अणभव. कोंकणी मराठीचेर बऱ्यापैकी पकड आशिल्ल्या प्रदीपान जायत्या नव्या पत्रकारांक डेस्कार मार्गदर्शन केला आणि ते करीत आसा. प्रदीप पाटील. एडिटर दैनिक गोमंतक मध्ये रुजू आहे. माध्यम क्षेत्रात उदंड कारकीर्द घडविणारे यशवंत पाटील यांची जन्मभूमी महाराष्ट्राच्या चंदगड तालुक्यातील तुळये पण कर्मभूमी गोवा राहिली आहे. मिळेल त्या संधीचे सोने करत 37 वर्षांहून अधिक काळ त्यांनी वृत्तपत्र क्षेत्रात सततपणे मुसाफिरी केली. 1986 साली दैनिक तरुण भारत बेळगाव येथून कंपोजिटर ऑपरेटर म्हणून त्यांनी वृत्तपत्र क्षेत्रात श्री गणेश केला. 1988 पासून गोमंतकच्या प्रवासाला प्रारंभ झाला, जो अविरत सुरू आहे. उपसंपादक ते वृत्त संपादक वाटचाली दरम्यान त्यांनी सामाजिक अंतरंगाचा ठाव घेण्याचा नेहमीच प्रयत्न केला. दैनिक गोमंतक मध्ये नारायण आठवले, विष्णुभाऊ, चंद्रकांत घोरपडे, लक्ष्मण जोशी, शरद कारखाने, संजय ढवळीकर, श्रीराम बच्चीपुरे, राजू नायक यांच्यासारख्या दिग्गज संपादकाबरोबर काम करण्याची त्यांना संधी मिळाली. 1988 पासून दैनिक गोमंतकच्या आजपर्यंतच्या सेवेत असताना विविध विषयावर त्यांनी लेखन केले. ललित प्रासंगिक लेखनासह गोव्यातील विविध घडामोडीवर भाष्य करणारे लेख लिहिण्याबरोबरच सांस्कृतिक क्षेत्रातही निगडीत विषयावर त्यांनी लेखन केले. त्यात विशेष म्हणजे लावणी हा त्यांचा आवडता विषय. या विषयावरील बातम्या व लेख त्यांनी लिहिले. लक्ष्मण जोशी संपादक असताना त्यांनी आरसा या सदराखाली ललित लेखन केले. पत्रकारितेतील कारकिर्दीची दखल घेऊन महाराष्ट्र जर्नलिस्ट फाउंडेशन वतीने त्यांचा राष्ट्रीय सहभागी द प्राईड ऑफ इंडिया भास्कर अवॉर्ड 2023 पुरस्काराने त्यांचा सत्कार करण्यात आला. धन्यवाद.